Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Woobo, a fluffy, interactive robot designed to be a companion for children. Imagine having a friend who's not only adorable, but also smart and educational. That's Woobo for you. Let's explore how Woobo is revolutionizing the way kids learn, play, and interact. Woobo is a technologically advanced, interactive toy designed with the aim of fostering educational development and emotional growth in children. It combines the latest in AI technology with a cuddly exterior to create an engaging experience for kids. With its wide-eyed, friendly appearance, Woobo is more than just a robot. It's a companion that brings learning to life. Interactive learning. Woobo answers questions, tells stories, and even plays educational games, making learning fun and interactive. Voice recognition. It understands and responds to voice commands, allowing for natural and engaging conversations. Daily routines. Woobo can help children with their daily routines, from brushing their teeth to bedtime stories, encouraging good habits in a friendly way. Parental controls. A dedicated app allows parents to monitor activities, set reminders, and customize the educational content, ensuring a safe and tailored learning environment. Unlike traditional educational toys, Woobo's AI-driven interaction makes each experience unique, adapting to your child's learning pace and interests. Its ability to engage in conversations and answer questions on a wide range of topics sets it apart from other educational toys. Woobo represents a leap forward in the world of educational toys, combining technology, education, and play in a unique way. It's not just about the knowledge it imparts, but the companionship it offers, making it a cherished friend for children. If you're intrigued by the innovative world of Woobo and how it can make a difference in your child's life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and updates. Let's embrace the future of learning together.